Make teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki recipe for marinade. Follow these step-by-step cooking instructions for making teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce makes a great glaze for chicken or beef. Although you can buy it in a bottle, it just won't taste the same as homemade teriyaki sauce. Plus, it's really easy to make it yourself with this simple recipe. To make teriyaki sauce, Step 1 Ingredients and supplies: 2 cups soy sauce, 1 cup brown sugar, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, blender or saucepan. Step 2 Instructions: mix the soy sauce and brown sugar. Pour the soy sauce into a blender or saucepan with a cup of brown sugar. Keep in mind that not all soy sauces are the same. You might want to experiment with different soy sauces before settling on your favorite for making teriyaki sauce. If you like a sweeter sauce, add a little more sugar. Extra soy sauce will make a tangier sauce. Do not mix the ingredients yet. You still have a few to add. Step 3 Prepare the ginger and garlic. Peel the ginger, and add about half a cup to the blender. Also peel the garlic, and add about 2 or 3 cloves to the mixture in the blender. Of course, you can vary these amounts depending on your personal tastes. Step 4 Blend the teriyaki sauce. Blend the ingredients together until they become very smooth. You can also use a saucepan to cook the mixture until it is combined. Taste the sauce, and add more of any of the ingredients if you feel it needs it. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch if you want the sauce to be thicker, or water if it is too thick. A tablespoon of pineapple juice will make a sweeter teriyaki sauce. You can also add green onions or sesame seeds if you like, although these are best saved as a garnish on the finished dish. Step 5 Enjoy. Homemade teriyaki sauce tastes great with stir-fry, rice, or vegetables. You can also use it as a marinade for chicken, pork, or beef. This sweet and tangy sauce is great for many recipes. Make teriyaki hamburgers for an interesting twist on an American favorite, or make shish kabobs coated in your homemade teriyaki sauce. If you're using this sauce on meat, marinate the meat by coating it with the sauce and then placing the bowl in the refrigerator for a few hours to allow the sauce time to soak into the meat. The cooking instructions would be the same as above. Once you've mastered the basic recipe for teriyaki sauce, you can vary the amounts of the ingredients to find the perfect blend for your tastes. Of course, you can also make more or less sauce depending on how much you need by varying the amounts. This recipe can also be used at a later time as long as it's kept refrigerated. If you don't plan to use all of the sauce right away, you can refrigerate it in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.